G'day everyone, it's Chris O. How you doing? It's Monday morning and the owners have put up this VJ board. They've done a good job of it, cutting in nicely. I said to them I'd run up there with some silicone and that sort of thing, finish it off nicely if it was painted, and which they have done, so now there's no problems. I can silicone it and it's all hunky-dory. What I'm doing is this shelf, what I want to do is give it a fair bit of slope because there's going to be a lot of water when you're washing your hair. It'll, you know, come off your elbows and that sort of thing and go onto the sledge, so it needs to run off nicely. I've got a good slope. The waterproof is sloping nicely, so when the water does run through the grout a bit, it'll run down there, down the wall and into the waste. See these bits of cardboard I used? I put them there so my wedges didn't pierce the waterproofing the other day. They can stay there now. I don't want to pull them out. So it's all good. Make sure you catch your aluminium with your glue. I'll show you. See how I've got it along the front? They're DIYs. I could actually pull those wedges out. Where is always use a pair of pliers if you've got any plastic in there from your clips that's not broken away properly. You always go by feel. Your eyes are good, but feeling with your fingertips is good too. It's been a beautiful weekend on the Gold Coast of Australia. A little bit hot, but beautiful. Everything's drying very fast. With the rain we've had, mosquitoes are out in full force. I slopped my glue and I was standing in it. Well, that's not very good. You get that though. The young man of the house is watching me what I'm doing. Nice. That's gonna go nice. There goes my phone. One more piece that I pre-cut earlier. Check it, yep. I need my rubber hammer just to give things a little bit of a tap. I need a bit more glue on there. A little bit of glue on my fingers, that's what you have shorts for. Alrighty, that's the shelf done. I just need to just tap it with my rubber hammer once I find it. We'll see you soon. See ya. Stay tuned to Chris O. There's heaps to learn. See ya.